Alright, I'm out here at what used to be Grissom High School. As you can see right there's the old high school building. It's currently being torn down. Gonna be building the Sandra Moon Community Complex here, which should include like a library, possibly a police station, but they're tearing out a lot of stuff that was here. But as you can see, removed the 2001 AC that was here. Might still be here. I'm not sure if they're going to replace it or not. Heard that they could possibly replace it with a Century Siren because of the fact that this guy's like 20 years old and they don't really make too many more parts for him, especially for the rotator. The county is slowly moving away from rotating sirens. But yeah, I just thought I'd show this for anyone's curious. I actually heard it last test. Should have recorded at least an ambience, but sadly didn't get to. Didn't think to at the very least. Right here's the controller, of course. You can see right here, Federal Signal Corporation Model 2001 AC. Right there's the transformer. Right there's the radio. Right there's where the power went in. And up here is the old antenna. And then up here we have the siren itself, which is in pretty decent shape. Cone might be a bit squashed from being set down on the side like that, but I will admit this thing is a lot smaller than I expected it to be. See, there's been a little bit of damage, like right there, but overall it's in pretty good shape. Said on the label on the side there's the 2001 DC. As all of these second generation 2001 SRNs had. But yeah, got to hear this thing growing up a lot. Got to even record it for a test once, along with plenty of ambience videos. And now it's sitting silent, possibly to be replaced. I kind of do hope they just remount them on a wooden pole out of the way, but we'll have to see what the EMA does. So yeah, interesting little thought, because I was on my way home from work today. Noticed they'd removed the siren. I'd heard from FanFan61618 that the siren had been disconnected, and sure enough, now it's gone. I mean, it's still here, but yeah, it's removed from service right now anyways. So yeah, 2001 out here at what used to be Grissom High School. This is the best way to tell if they're going to be putting up a new siren or not would be to see if they have like a wooden pole elsewhere. Over and out.